My name is Professor Bhaskar Goolab. I'm a Professor of Gynaecology in the University of Witwatersrand, Johannesburg, South Africa. It's been my privilege to come and do a workshop at the CEMAST in Mumbai to a superbly equipped endoscopic training center. I've done workshops in many parts of the world training young gynecologists in laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, and the skills of advanced laparoscopic surgery. The countries where such facilities exist are Egypt, there's a Storz Training Center, Germany, Kiel, South Africa. This CEMAST training center in Mumbai is probably one of the finest, well-equipped, well-planned training center in the eastern part of the world. It's a privilege for Mumbai to host such a training center. It's one of the training centers where there are multi-disciplinary trainings that are taking place in sub-specialities of Orthopaedics, Neurosurgery, ENT, Arthroscopy, Gynaecology, Bariatric Surgery, and you name it. This facility is really well geared for training people who want to upskill their knowledge and skills of endoscopy. The facility is so well planned that you could run 2 or 3 workshops simultaneously with 3 lecture auditoriums and superbly well-equipped laboratories where one could do dry laboratory for hand-eye training and suturing workshops, as well as an animal lab that is really well equipped for people to be able to get the anatomy, the blood supply, and whatever skills that one requires to be able to acquire them at this particular facility. The vision of Professor Goolab has truly lived up to its expectation to say this is something dedicated to a person's vision as well as his passion to advance the knowledge and skills of endoscopy. I'm feeling pretty proud to be associated with this institution, to participate in the training program, and I wish them well for a future that we hope will be a long and a dedicated one for the well-being of endoscopy.